All right, we're going to do a little entropy experiment here. So I just finished washing some socks and towels, and they look pretty messy in there. So we're going to put those in the dryer and see what entropy has to say about this. So let's get all these things out of the washing machine, and we'll put them in the dryer here. Now they still look pretty messy there in the dryer. So we're going to dry these and see what happens when they come out. All right, the dryer has finished running. So the clothes have been tumbling around in there for the last half hour or so. And if you remember our discussion about entropy, the clothes should have ended up in the most likely or the highest probability arrangement. And of course, of all the ways the clothes could end up, one way would be in a jumbled heap, and the other way would be neatly folded in a pile. Now, you're probably thinking, what are the chances of the clothes ending up in that dryer in a neat pile? Well, admittedly, it's incredibly tiny. It makes Avogadro's number look extremely small. But if we did this for billions and trillions of years, maybe one time in one dryer load, through random chance, the clothes might just tumble and find themselves neatly folded. Let's find out what happened this time. Oh my God! It's a miracle! All of the socks, all of the towels and washcloths, through some random occurrence, have turned out to be perfectly folded. I will probably never see that again in my lifetime. Now, I was just playing with you before. Of course, there's no way, or at least there's almost no way, that all those towels and socks could have ended up perfectly folded by themselves in the dryer. This is what they actually looked like when I opened the dryer. Of all the infinite ways that those towels and socks could be arranged, the most likely way is in a jumbled heap. There's a lot of ways it could be in a mess, and there's only very few ways that they could be neatly folded. So even though there is a tiny, incredibly tiny possibility that through some random chance all those clothes could be ended up folded when we took them out of the dryer, it is infinitesimally small.